Here's how to display subscription offers inside a featured products section using Kaching Subscriptions. This is useful when you want subscriptions visible outside the standard product page layout, like on a home page or custom section. Start by opening your Shopify theme editor. Navigate to the page where you want the subscription to appear. In this example, I'll use the home page. Look for a featured products section. If you don't have one yet, click Add section and choose Featured Product. Once the section is added, click on it and select a product that already has a subscription created in Kaching Subscriptions. Inside the Featured Products section, click Add Block. Blocks are used to add extra elements inside the product layout. Now go to App Blocks and select Kaching Subscriptions. Once added, the subscription widget will automatically use the product from the Featured Products section and display the correct subscription offer. You can now drag the Kaching Subscriptions block up or down to control where it appears inside the product layout. Adjust the position until it fits cleanly with the rest of the section. Click Save, then preview your store. Now that your subscriptions are in place, the real challenge is keeping customers, and that's exactly what this video breaks down.